So my Supra is filthy. We need to clean this thing. However, I don't think we should have to pay these popular brands and what they want for them. So I'm today going to see how cheap we can get everything we need to clean this car and give it the best wash possible.
So we're currently on our way to the dollar store, Dollar General to be exact, and we're going to see how much product we can get from there first, and then if we need to go to another store, then we're going to move on from there and maybe try Walmart. But we're going to see if we can get as much as we can first from Dollar General and go from there. And it is an absolutely beautiful day outside too, like 85 degrees. Yeah, it's not gonna get much better than this to clean the car in. So we just got to the first stop, which is the Dollar General, and we kind of have to park on the side because there's not much parking in the front. But let's go in and see if we can find some good products for a good price. So I'm back in their automotive section, and this is really all that we have. It's not much. So this might be an okay deal for these microfibers. It's a 5-pack for $6.50, but that eats up more than 25% of our budget. So let me see if there's anything else here that might be worthwhile. Okay, so there wasn't anything in the dollar store that I felt was sufficient to purchase for this challenge. So we are off to our next store, but I didn't go in for nothing. I at least got a cherry Coke. All right, so we just arrived at Walmart. We're going to go in here and see how much we can get in here. I'm hoping that they will have everything that we need, but there's only one way to find out, so let's go check it out. So crazy thing about these products that I picked up, I actually had a group of guys stop me as I was buying them and say that they ruin your paint. So if that's the case, we are taking a huge risk on these products. And if I'm going to do this to my car, my new car, new to me car, but if I'm going to do that, I need you guys to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and make sure you follow and comment down below. It really helps, and if I'm ruining my paint for y'all, you kind of owe me. All right, so we're back at the house. I've got all the products set up, and now it's time to start cleaning the Supra. So to keep this challenge as realistic as possible, I'm not even going to use my power washer. I'm not going to use any outside products. I'm only using what I purchased today. So only what we purchased is going to be used on this vehicle, and we're going to look at it at the end and see if it looks okay.
It is almost dark, but the car is finally clean. So I'm gonna show you guys the final result. And there it is. So this is after using the cheapest products that I can find, all to save probably 3 to 4 times the money, especially if most Chemical Guys products, for example, are like $20 each. And I was able to do everything for just $20. That includes the microfiber towels as well. The only thing that I used that I didn't pay for, because I think most people have them at least somewhere or have something that they can use, is a bucket. But overall, let's take a walk around and see how it looks. I think for the most part, this did a pretty decent job. I might have missed some spots drying, but overall, it looks pretty decent. It's kind of hard to tell. There's not much sunlight out left tonight, but maybe in the morning it'll look a little bit better. But for now, I have to say, not bad. Fairly impressed. And maybe I will keep these products for the future. Anyways, y'all, if you made it through the entire video, I want you to help me out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you like. Make sure you talk smack. I don't care. Just do something, and I will continue to bring y'all some videos. Probably gonna do it anyways, but you know, with your support, helps me. So thanks for watching.